Maintaining your Shark IQ robot self-empty. For best results, be sure to complete all recommended maintenance. Let's start by shutting off your robot's power like this. Next, empty the dustbin by pressing both release tabs and sliding it out. Then empty the dustbin into the trash. Next, pull the filter out with these two tabs. Hold the filter over a bin and gently tap the filter to release any dust and debris. To make sure you're getting the most powerful suction, check the filter inside the dustbin regularly and clean or replace if necessary. Reinstall the filter into the dustbin and then reinsert the dustbin into the robot completely until it clicks into place. The self-cleaning brush roll removes wrapped hair and debris on its own as it spins. If you notice any buildup on your brush roll, continue to allow your robot to clean, so the self-cleaning brush roll can do its job. If by any chance some debris remains over time, remove the brush roll and give it a maintenance clean. To remove the brush roll, squeeze the tabs and lift out the brush roll. Clean off any debris from the brush roll. Reinstall the brush roll, inserting the flat end first. Close the access door pressing down until both tabs click into place. Your Shark IQ robot is a sophisticated high-tech machine. Keep its sensors clean for optimal performance. Dust off the sensors periodically with a dry cloth. To ensure your robot charges properly, dust off the metal charging contacts on the bottom of the robot. It's also vital to keep the IQ robot's dock free of dust so that it can charge freely. Be sure to dust off the metal contacts located on the base. To keep the side brushes clean, pull them off their posts and gently wipe with a damp cloth. Then allow them to air dry. When dry, just pop them back into place. Be sure to clean the front caster wheel periodically and to replace it every year. Use a screwdriver or something similar to separate the front caster wheel from the caster wheel assembly, which cannot be removed. Wipe off any debris and clean inside the wheel housing before replacing the caster wheel within the assembly. The drive wheels are simple to clean. Just rotate the wheels a few times and wipe with a dry cloth. If you ever need to replace your battery, make sure the robot is turned off. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the battery cover like so. Then it's as easy as unplugging your battery and swapping for a new one. Replace the cover and screws, and you're all set. For additional assistance, see the Help section of your app, visit our support page, or call our customer service at this number.